this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your noodles, instant otherwise, not noodles. I just tell you what you need to do. Anyways, oh my god. Here, let's just get started and I'll fill you in. So, today we've got one that came in an umai crate. Go to www.japancrate.com and look for the umai crate stuff. You'll find it. And use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Today we've got some Itsuki Uji Matcha Cold Tea Soba. You're like, what? Yeah, it's soba that's served cold, like Zaru soba, and it has a dipping sauce. So you get a plate of noodles and you get this sauce and you go, ooh, the noodles go dip dip. Yep, that's actually a Japanese folk melody I just sang to you. You are welcome. And here is our buckwheat soba. It has a scent. Oops, we don't want this from the package. Yeah, it smells very earthy, like buckwheat soba often does. And this is going in, it said 4 to 5 minutes. I think I'd like it a little on the chewy side, so I'm going to tell it 4. Honestly, the idea of sitting in front of this camera for more than 4 minutes is a daunting, perilous concept. Oh my god. Alright, so what's going on with you, Ramen Raider? What's your deal? Well, so I have this recurring dream. It's not a nightmare. In fact, it's way too rooted in reality. So, I usually set my alarm to go off like around 3 or 3:30, right? In the morning. Maybe sometimes, I'll sleep in until like 3:55. Well, I had it set for like 3:45, I think, this morning. Well, the dream that I keep having is that my alarm goes off, I turn it off, then I get out of bed, and I get dressed, and I come out here. Well, at some point, it stops being a dream and turns into reality. So I think the alarm going off, and then maybe for a few seconds after that is the dream. Maybe the alarm going off and me turning it off. But after that, I'm actually awake. And with the alarm going off and all that, I am like totally awake. So I think we went to bed like around 10:45 last night. And I'm up and I'm out here at 1:27 a.m. I'm just like, screw it, I'll stay up. So, yeah, I am totally beat. Not only that, I've been doing 20,000 steps as early as I can every morning. This morning, no exception. So I've walked almost 10 miles back and forth in the apartment, on top of having, 2 hours of sleep? No, almost 3. I'll take that. That's not bad. But yeah, and I was beat because I've been getting up early also the rest of the week, so I don't know. Not only that, my nose is bugging me. I've got like a cold or something. So, but now I'm gonna make the liquid thingy for this noodle. So what you do is you got 2 sachets Each one is supposed to be mixed with 50 milliliters of water. I got 100 in here. So, they're like, what do you got a baby bottle for? You got a baby? Well, my children used to be babies. In fact, I used to be a baby. But these things are graduated by milliliters, which is really... Oh, maybe this is the wrong way to go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're graduated by milliliters, so it's really easy to deal with like 50 mils, 100 mils. Somebody was commenting like when I scratch my nose like that. Like, it's so disgusting with the scratching of the nose. I think some people really need some classes in reality. People scratch their noses. It's going to be alright. I'm not putting on a show for you. I'm putting on a show of what I'm actually like and who I am. You know, I'm not really I'm not putting on an act. You want me to be a clown? You want me to amuse you? Go watch that blah 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 loves Japan chick, or the one who makes the look all the time. Can't stand that fake crap. What's her name? Emmy. I hate that lady. Oh my god, repulsive. Like, if you're gonna watch somebody cook, go watch Mangchi or whatever her name is. She's really good. She does Korean stuff. Other than that, there's Cooking with Dog with Frances, the dog, which I think is cool. But the original Frances died, and there was a video, and the lady who would do that YouTube show, she just looked all sorts of bummed out. She has no Frances. Alright. So, yeah, I'm feeling like out of it. And I don't even have a Rotato right now because this is kind of like the one I did the other day. It does require a plate and a bowl, so... But this is not a soup. Not even close. Here is the buckwheat soba. Ah, damn it. This is not cold. Let's render that fixed. So let's make this cold. One moment. Cold soba, you gotta rinse it with cold water. There we go. No, this is two servings of this stuff. No self-respecting human being should be eating this much cold noodle. I mean, really. Let's do this an actual forking. Oh yeah. So we have our dipping sauce and we have our noodles. So let's give this a try. I think this will work pretty well. It's kind of what I expected. This is definitely like Zaru Soba. To dip. Or not to dip. Dippity doo. Yeah. I've got that lack of sleep kind of rummy thing going on if you hadn't noticed. That's good. I will have yet another bite. Here, I'll have another bite and give you a succinct description of this stuff. It's got a little bit of saltiness, a little bit acidic. The noodle, it works. It works together very well. Now, at this point, a couple things I'll do just to a little bit of sesame seed on top. On here, let's pile you on a little bit. Well, maybe that's not the best thing to do. Yeah, whatever. It mentioned fish cake, so I'm gonna slap some Naruto Maki willy-nilly on this thing. And it also mentioned some of that. So there we go. It's a nice little mashup thingy. I like it. It's worthy. If you don't have a pack of this stuff, here. If you don't have this stuff, you can find it pretty commonly. A lot of stores will have some kind of cold noodle. Ask somebody that looks like they might know what I'm talking about. I don't know. But yeah. Man, I'm tired. Have a good one. Bye.